KEEMI, Cooking with Jack Show, Felicia Odell Auntie Fee, Redneck Recipes, a collection of some of the tastiest down-home cooking on the interweb. If you're trying to figure out what to cook tonight, just browse your way through our albums, and maybe y'all will find something that trips your trigger. Nisha Madhulika, Mince Recipes, Sanjeev Kapoor, Epic Mealtime, Hilah Cooking, MyHarto, POPSUGAR Food, Jewlish by Jamie, ochikeron, the Domestic Geek, SimpleCookingChannel, Bake with Jack, Helen's Recipes Vietnamese Food, Entertaining with Beth, Feast of Fiction, Manjula's Kitchen, My Virgin Kitchen, Everyday Food, Rosanna Pansino, Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. How to cook that. Crazy sweet creations made from cake, chocolate, and dessert. http://youtube.com/howtocookthat. Cooking with Dog. Tasty. Town Saints. Jamie Oliverare, John's Kitchen, You Suck at Cooking, Laura in the Kitchen, America's Test Kitchen, AlmazanKitchen, Mom Chai, Gordon Ramsay, Sort D Food, Adam Ragusea, Bon Appetit, Food Wishes, Binging with Babish, Joshua Weissman.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care.